Do it. Do, 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 do.
Doing good.
I'm doing good, yes. Now what letter? That one?
Mm-hmm.
Now which one?
T. The one with the cross on the top. Yep.
And did I do a poke on that?
I think so.
Oh, I did. Now what letter?
Now the Y. That's right. Good job.
Now a line right here.
Yes, that's right. Good job, honey. You spelled your name. I'm very proud of you. And how old are you? 3. Wow, good job.